Hey guys, welcome to the kitchen. I'm Wanda and this is crazy days, and it really is crazy around here. We got up early this morning. Danny fixed breakfast. We got out. I picked some butter peas. He came and helped after he got through, but he was moving dirt and trying to get things leveled out behind the pond dam so that he can build a fence because we have cows and it's always something. But I thought I would show you 5 minutes of my life. Maybe every few days. It won't be every day, but today I want to show you what's going on here in the kitchen, and then we're going outside. Yesterday I showed you I was canning salsa. 14 jars, they all sealed. And guys, I've learned something about these lids. Had several people say don't boil them. I was putting them in my hot water. It really wasn't boiling water, but it was extremely hot. And so they said don't do it. So I heated my jars. I did not heat the lids and rings, and every one of them sealed. By putting them in hot water, I would have at least one every 3 to 4 days not seal. So in the past month, I've had 4 jars, 5 jars that did not seal while I've been canning. So that's pressure canning and water bath canning for that matter. But all these sealed yesterday, perfect. I shelled out more butter peas. These are my regular field peas. There's just a few just starting, but hey, there's a lot of them. We picked Grandpa's figs, y'all. This bucket's almost full. It's almost a gallon of Grandpa's figs. I've got to take and peel these. These kind need peeling. They're not like the regular brown turkey. I'm going to peel these and put them on to cook a little bit and saute them down a little with some sugar. And we're going to eat those as a snack. We've been just peeling and eating. We sat at the pier and peeled about 6 or 8 and ate last night. It was awesome. These all came out of the greenhouse. The okra, the peppers, and I've used a couple of them in salsa yesterday. But these we picked out of the greenhouse. This is one of our spaghetti squash. I cooked half of it, got to cook the other half, and we have one patty pan left. All right, I just went out and picked up all these pears right here. I took all these off a limb. Yesterday, I took all these off of a limb. This afternoon, I will probably need to can all these pears, but let me go show you why I'm taking them off the limbs. I couldn't help but stop here. This tree is gorgeous. And for all of you that don't know, oranges start out green. Lemons start out green. These are not limes. These are oranges. They will get about this big around, because you can see they're about bigger than a golf ball, but they'll get like a hard ball size, and then they'll turn orange. And I've been watering this tree a good bit because it is literally, look at it, loaded, loaded, loaded. Look at this. Everywhere you look, oranges. And this is what I'm talking about. Look at this. I took all the big ones off of this right here. Not all of them, because you can see there's still some bigger ones right there. But I came out and took some of the pears off of some of this here, off these lower limbs, and it's still, you can see, look here, look all in there. You see that? They're still hanging everywhere. And let me show you something. I was underneath that tree. Look at this, all the way up. And guys, we do our own stunts here, you see? Danny's mowing. We don't hire help. We don't, other than dig a pond or something like that. Danny and I do our own, whatever needs doing around here. We do all our own work. So there is no hired help around here, and very little volunteered help ever. We get somebody occasionally that comes through. But look at this. These are awesome. And right here, look at here, these are starting. They're going to be a while before they turn, but I'm going to go show you something else. This is one limb that's hanging over, and I took about a dozen off of it already. But look at this, it's still hanging. And you see that tree right there? Look at this tree. These will be ready shortly. These are a harder pear. They're going to be harder to peel. But look. And Everywhere you look, it is covered. And behind it's the fig tree. And guys, we've almost narrowed these figs down. There's still a few here and there in it, but we're winding down. You see there's still some small ones because this thing put on about 3 times. And we have a tree in between the 2 greenhouses. It's about as tall as this right here, this section, and it is loaded. They're behind this. They won't be coming in for a week or so, but we have another small tree loaded with figs. And I know I'm going over my 5 minutes, but look at this. This is our scuppernons. A lot of people didn't know what scuppernons were, but this is what they are. It looks like grapes. And look at this. Look, 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 look. All the way down. When they get ripe, they're a champagne color. This is almost ripe. They'll turn this color, have a pink tint to them. I picked a few yesterday, day before, but y'all, isn't this fine, beautiful? All the way down, like a grape orchard. Oh, look, I found one that's almost ready. Look under here. Ah, look. You see the color? That's what we're talking about. If I put them upside of it, isn't that pretty? You can see they're starting to turn compared to the green ones. So guys, if you think we're just sitting around, we're not, but we do get to sit around. I sat around for a couple hours this morning while I was shelling and listening to music, and it's pretty awesome. And I get to come out. We've got a tropical storm coming in, so that's why I can come out at 10 o'clock during the day and film this, because you see the wind blowing this? It's keeping a breeze. It's pretty awesome just to have a beautiful place here that I can come, walk outside, get something to eat, and enjoy. But I've got to get back to work. I got pears, and I'll talk to you guys later. Thank you for stopping by Crazy Days.